Hello and welcome to my legit reviews and my review of the Breville Smart Oven. We're going to jump right in, so hurry up. Okay, here's our first view of the oven. That was me plugging it in. It makes some beeps and it's ready to go immediately. Here I'm going to be doing the initial setup of it, which consists of heating it to 500 degrees or 450 for 20 minutes to burn off any residue from manufacturing. Here's when it completes a cycle. It beeps and flashes, changes from orange to blue. It's pretty nice. And now we've changed locations, and we're gonna jump right ahead to the Crumb Tray, which I think is one of the best features of this oven, which is not really a toaster oven. It comes out really easily, and you can put it right in the sink and scrub it and just do whatever you need to do. It goes right back in very simply. And this does catch all of the crumbs. There's not some little hidden space inside, so this is great. Okay, and the rack adjustment is very simple. It has a catch for the two highest positions so it won't accidentally slide out and fall out and drop your dish or whatever you have on there. Other than that, it's just as simple as you can see. Pick it up a little bit, pull it on out, and stick it back in. And the bottom level does not have a catch because if it slides out, it's not going to go anywhere. Here's the back of the unit, and the cord has that really nice loop in the end of the cord, so it makes it easy to get out of the wall without damaging the cord by pulling on it, the way so many people do. And on the back of the unit, you can see the curvature. That's actually to allow pans to fit inside that are larger. You'll see that in a minute. And those two knobs held it away from the wall. Here's just all the modes. Adjusting the toast setting for the amount of toastedness you want your bread to be, and the number of slices. And I will mention this also has a bagel setting, which is fantastic. You slice your bagel in half, put it sliced side up, and it toasts that side and just lightly warms the bottom so it doesn't make it too crispy. And here on the toast setting, you can manually adjust things while it's toasting. So if you think, oh, I need a different amount of time, you can adjust that. It's pretty handy. Different number of slices, also very handy. And there is the finish of that cycle. The finish of each cycle is the same. So here, we're going to do the convection just so you can hear it. Not loud at all. And we're going to actually toast some toast. Not the whole thing, just the beginning and end, so you can see what it does to two different types of bread. One is just a regular whole wheat. One's a potato bread. So we have two slices on darkness 3. It's 2 minutes 58 seconds. And there you can see what it's like. It's glowing. The elements, the top and bottoms, are both glowing. And we'll jump ahead here so you can see what it's like at the end. And while we're waiting, I'll just mention that a preheat cycle up to 400 degrees takes 4 minutes. There it is done. And that's the completion of the cycle. It blinks those number of times, and that's it. Now you can see here it's 2 minutes 12 seconds. What that is doing is it knows that it's already hot inside. The elements are already hot, so it says, I don't need to do for that 2 minutes 58 seconds like before. We can go for a shorter amount of time. So your toast should always come out exactly the same. Here's what it looks like. It's very lightly toasted. I will mention this toasts bread different than a regular toaster. It heats it for a little while, and then at the end it crisps it. And so it's not going to look as dark. Here's the awesome auto eject rack. It only auto ejects in the middle position on toast. It has a little magnet inside the door that pulls out the rack, and then the door pushes it right back in. It's very, very nice. And there's one of the broiler pans. It has the broiler catch pan. The broiler pan itself is in storage. I don't have it to show you, but suffice it to say it's looks exactly like that. Here is the not included pizza pan, but I wanted to show you this one because it has those extra handles. yet it still fits in on a slight angle. So that's pretty nice. And last of all, in the back is where the pizza pan fits to. So thank you for watching this review, and I hope you have a nice, enjoyable time buying this oven, because I'm sure you're going to want it.